once again, and thanks for checking out this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the simplest way to get your pimples cleaned using Photoshop. So let's get started. First of all, I drag and drop my image inside my Photoshop. Alright, so the first thing we have to do once we have our picture is to make a copy of our picture. How do we do this? We hold Ctrl or Command plus J on our keyboard and it makes a duplicate. Once the duplicate has been made, we go ahead to invert our duplicated image. How do we do this? We go to Image, Adjustments, and Invert. So alternatively, you can use Ctrl I on your keyboard. So I invert my image. Once my image has been inverted, I go ahead and send the blend mode to vivid light. When the image has been set to vivid light, you should have something similar to this on your PC. And you don't worry, we're going to fix this right away. So our image is set to vivid light. The next thing we're going to do is go to Filter and go to Other and select High Pass. Depending on your picture, you may choose to play with your radius to see what will suit your picture very best. So in my case, I decide to leave mine at 4.8 pixels. So I click OK when I'm done. Now we can see that we all have a blur image right over here. So you go again to Filter and go to Blur, Gaussian Blur. Mostly I leave my radius at 0.1 to get a perfect result that I want. You can also choose to play around with yours depending on your image. So I leave mine at a 0.1 pixels and I click OK. When this is done, we go ahead to create a layer mask. Creating the layer mask, we hold Alt and click on a layer mask. This will give us a layer mask with a black background instead of a white background that most people know. So once this is done, we go to select our brush and make the color white. So I have my color to be white and we change the hardness to 0. Then we click OK. So we start to brush on our image. This has to take a little bit cautiousness because depending on it, so you brush around just like I'm doing. So you take your time and you do it very well. Since I don't want to waste time, I'm moving very fast. That's that. But you take your time and you work on yours very perfectly to have a good result. So I zoom in to get a very clear view and I'll brush all these. Use my brush. I'll brush. So you all can see that we're having something different from the image we started on. So you can click on this to change to see the changes you've made so far. And if you are still not okay with it, you continue to brush till you get the exact thing that you really want. So there we have it. We've perfectly cleaned that spots and those rashes on the face very nicely. So we go ahead and select all layers and we merge them by pressing Ctrl or Command E. So I have my image merged right. And if you can bear with me, you can see there is a little spot right here. So we can fix that by selecting the patch tool and make the patch content aware. So I select. So now we are done with our photo, very nice over here. But to add more effect to it, I decide to go to image and I add a hue and saturation to it. So right away, I add saturation a little bit, and it makes it look more beautiful at first. So that's it, guys. That's basically how to clean pimples and rashes. You can use it on stretch marks and other stuff. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, I hope you give it a thumbs up and perhaps you subscribe for more videos. Till the next video, stay cool, stay blessed.